Hi guys. So I just gonna tell you that my kitty Piper. I'll get her. Oh wow, she's being a little tired. Well, yeah, I think you might know my kitty Piper. Got her in my mouth. She's the black one with white on her chest. Not the kitten like I showed you in my first video, but the other one. And, sorry, I keep on getting spaced out. She might be pregnant for probably almost the 6th time. I'm trying to think. So probably almost 5. This is either her 5th or her 6th litter. And I'm kind of ticked off because yeah. There's enough kittens. Too many kittens. I love them and all, just way too many kitties. So, look, my hair is starting to be nuts. It's a mess because I just woke up. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. And yeah, I'm just kind of yeah. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, leave comments below. Awesome comments below. And also tell me what about your kitty, or if you had kitties or dogs or animals that had puppies, and how many litters. Just tell me about that stuff in your stories. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Peace out.